Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2024, 10th of January. Yeah, that will mark down on my 14 years. Okay, so yeah, coming back here once again with all of you. Right, so today we are going to talk about our trading plan as well, and let's see if we have a chance to get some profits. Okay. Well, once again, do remember to come into my YouTube channel, okay, and remember to share it out with your friends as well, okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. Okay, so let's take a look. Yeah, hi MK, nice to see you. All right. Okay, yes, and now let's see. Okay. Hi Bradley, nice to see you. Yes, Sabrina, thank you for coming in. Well. Okay, we are now coming in. Okay, so let's see. Let's go into our MT4. Okay, where's my MT4? Okay, well, okay, let's see. Okay, do I have my MT4? Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much. All right. Hi, Alan. Nice to see you. Hi, Wasim. Namaste. Nice to see all of you here again. All right. Thank you so much. Let me check on the other side. Okay. So I guess are you connected? Let me see. Okay. Yeah. we are all now moving very steadily. Okay. Doing everything should be good now. Okay, yesterday what's going on with yesterday? I guess yesterday should be quite an interesting day to start off. Yeah, and we would like to check. Okay, let me see. Okay, where's right my message box in? Okay, that's good. Okay, well, fantastic. Right, my test. Any echo? No echo. Okay, good. Yep. And how's life? Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. All right, I think we are coming in. Okay, so now let's take a look. Okay, we should be looking into things like pound dollar. Okay. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Yesterday we were waiting to see some planning. Okay, it went into the area. Okay, and the area. Okay, does it actually give us a some good area to trade? All right. Okay. Hi Fred. Nice to see you, Fred. Where are you from, Fred? Been here before? I love to make friends with all of you. All right. Okay, so yeah, is this the first time I see you here, or it has been months and I forgotten about you? If I forgot about you, I'm so sorry. Okay, thank you so much. Very happy to see everybody here. So yeah, my Discord channel yesterday, we will have some new guys coming in as well, right? You're from Kenya. Okay, yeah, been here before. Now I remember you. Okay, if you talk about Kenya, I remember you. Okay. All right, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, so let's see. Okay, what do we have for yesterday? Okay, let's talk about yesterday first. Okay, why am I going to talk about yesterday? It's because let's have some recap. Then we will have a better idea so that we will not forget about what we are trading yesterday, and then we are not going to get so lost today. All right. Okay. Yep. Hi Popcorn. Nice to see you here. Yep. And let's talk about this. Okay. Yesterday. Right. Yesterday. Well, yesterday, we were here. Okay. Then when you're trading in this area here, we were talking about once it breaks through this area. Okay. And this is the target that I'm looking out for. Am I right? Okay, so fortunately during the New York session, Okay, we were struggling here. Finally, it breaks through, and then it went back again. It breaks through this area. Okay, as we were saying, once it breaks through, this will have one first obstacle. First obstacle here. Correct. So this first obstacle managed to break through. Okay, and then we complete our target yesterday, which is the support of 1.26947 yesterday. Well, it went down smoothly. Will it actually continue to go down? Okay, where I see that to go further down, we have much more to go. Am I right? We have much more to go. However, things may not be that way for now, correct? Okay. Dobra jutro, Caro. Nice to see you. Okay, so over here. Now, over here. Okay. This is yeah. For a moment I was like, okay, I'm learning another foreign language to greet you. Namaste, Xin Chao, and Dobra jutro. And I also learning one more Spanish, Buenas noches. Buenas noches. But that's good night. Okay. Alright. Okay, so yep. Right, so over here, okay, stay happy, stay cheerful in trading so that we are not going to stress ourselves out. Okay, we're going to stress ourselves up. Okay, all right. So yeah, thank you so much. And over here we are looking into the overview from yesterday. Okay, from yesterday what we are looking out for. All right. Okay. Buenos dias. Dias. Correct? I hope I pronounce it correctly. Alright. Thank you. You know, Caro know a lot of different languages. I'm so happy. Okay, we can trade together at the same time. I can learn different culture from different places and languages as well. That is something I love to do. Okay. Hopefully one day when I pay you a visit, I will learn more from you, huh? Okay. Okay, so I am still my usual hola. Yeah. Correct. Hola. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so next time I will use hola. Alright. Okay, and yeah. Over here. Let's take a look over here. I'm waiting for pound dollar to come down because of the liquidity over in this area here. Okay, so this area is one of the area that I'm looking out for. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, you can see this long wick, right? Okay. Okay, so over at this point here. Okay, so at this point here. Okay, at this point here. So I am actually talking about having to see that the pound dollar is going to continue the selling off. Okay, however, before it continue to sell off, to take off, to take down all the space down here. Okay, we need a fresh good new resistance. So from yesterday, as we can see, okay, the day before it went up. Okay, right, then after that, okay, it create one resistance, then after that it swing off. Right, so now waiting for another round. Okay, so yeah, all cowboys are here. Maybe. All right. I'm not sure. Okay, Bradley, are you here, Bradley? Okay. So yeah, and then yeah, Bradley, I just now I saw him. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Right. So over at this point here. Okay. Yeah. I'm waiting to see pound dollar to achieve one resistance level. Okay, so yep. Okay, Alan as well. All right. So at the moment for now, okay, this is still my target 126,277. Okay. Right, so I will be looking into the area, okay, so that to see that if that is one chance that whether it will start to break this level to go on the selling. Okay, so yesterday I think we have captured 110 here, and then another 10 here. After that, from there another 10 to swing off for the 50. I guess I think I received some PMs there to we completed that swing of 50 pips there. Okay, yeah. Then I think that is one. Okay, okay, and so now by looking into this area, let's take a look. Okay, let's see what we are going to do with that. Is that from today, okay, from the day chart, okay, from the day chart, we are more or less can tell we are still with this swing here, we are still moving towards the bull, correct? We are still moving towards the bull. So yesterday, all the selling is just only a pullback. Okay, it has not really go into a bear. Okay, has not, it has not. So selling of pound dollar, it can be easy yesterday is because we identified the pullback. All right, that is a total is a pullback for yesterday. Okay, for yesterday. So today, okay, and what we are going to do is that we need to be a little bit patient to see if the selling is going to continue. Okay, it's going to continue for the selling. All right. Yep. Hi, Khatib. Nice to see you. All right. So, yep. And right now, okay. So by looking into this, we have done the overview by looking into this area here. So we have plotted this area that we can see that from this area, it is actually still moving. Okay, still moving upwards. Correct. Yeah, it's still moving upwards there. The bull is still there. So now I'm going to zoom into this area. I'm going to zoom into this area. So yesterday we plotted this red color line, red solid line, which is the resistance area, then the support area. So seems like we are experiencing, okay, this, okay, we are now experiencing this resistance from yesterday, started to hold it. So you can see we are holding it quite well for now. Okay, we are holding it quite well for now. All right. So at the moment, okay, looks like this resistance, as we are holding it, okay, it may still have a good chance to continue the selling off. Then let's take a look over at this point here. Well, by taking a look into this area here, all right. Okay, so I'm looking into this swing, okay, from here, where it swing up to touch this area, correct? Okay, to touch this area. And let me change this color, all right? Okay, let me change this color. Hi, JJ, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we are going to trade within this area. Okay, we are going to trade within this area. All right. So from here, okay, from here, okay, we can see that what we are touching into this area here. Okay, are we going to continue the selling to take down this area to complete the whole cycle? The whole cycle. Okay, that means that the whole swing. Okay, so this whole swing, okay, this whole swing over here, yeah, is looking into some retracement in, we have tested this area coming down. Is it a good chance to see that is it a good way to say that we have tested onto the resistance and now it's coming back for the selling? I would say yes, but no. Okay, yes, but no. All right, because in the general trend, as we can see here, we are still in the bull, correct? So this bull with this red candle selling off, it is tentatively, it is still in the bull. However, in forex trading, we know every time each swing up, we will experience a transition. Now, currently, I will say that we are in the transition from the bull turning down into the bear. Okay, so we are in the transition. So we need to break certain level, okay, so that it will be under pressure. It will be under pressure to be pressured down to become a bear market. Okay, all right. So there's no right or wrong, okay, because I may be wrong, okay, but we will read the chart, okay, accordingly. So tentatively, for now, the theory is that the bull is running, and the bull is not continue running up. As you can see, there's some turbulence here, right? Okay, so sorry guys, if you hear some echoes, do let me know, because I'm in a very empty room, not room. Okay, yeah, can say that it's a room up. Okay, yeah, okay, anyway, yeah. So over here, as we can see, the move and here now started to hover, correct? It started to hover into this area. So it seems like we are entering into from the bull into the transition to become a bear. So whether it will become a bear or not, okay, let's see if this is going to break. Okay, this area. If this is going to break the last swing of this area here, we are ready to go into the bear. All right, so right now we are trading within the transition area. So with this area, okay, with this area, then we zoom into this form here. Now let's look at this from here. I plot out this box here. So this box has tested out onto the resistance without breaking out. Okay, so we are still trading within this box. So if this within this box, any form of resistance that comes along, okay, then we will be looking out for some selling, because as you can see, all right, as we can see right now, okay, we are actually tentatively forming up the support over here. Okay, so maybe for these 4 hours, we are still into the support. Okay, we are still at the knees of trying to push further up, you know, to get buying, to get the buyers to come in. Okay, right. Okay, so at the moment, maybe we have to wait for the next H4 to open to see how it goes, whether how this H4 candle is going to close. I guess for this session, it's going to be a waiting time. Okay, it's going to be a waiting game. All right, so let's wait for a clearer directions to sell off. Okay, for the sellers. Okay, as for the buyers, yes, tentatively this session may be your time. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's take a look at the gold. Yeah, Caro was saying that a huge liquidity, not huge, sorry, huge liquidity from 2035.75 to 2038 waiting, but there was liquidity taken already. So let's see if they want more. Okay, yep. I think yesterday we are talking about this. All right, we are still waiting for 2038. Am I right? To 2040. Okay, it has been taken out. Am I right? Yesterday it has been taken out. Okay, so this has been taken out 2040. Okay, so once again, are we looking out into, let's see, you are talking about 2035. Okay, 2035. Let's check. Where is 2035 and then 2035 7. Okay, let's check. 35 gosh, I can't see. My god. Okay, so 20 2038. Okay. 2038.8. Okay. Yep. Okay. Well, the sell zone is from 2042 to 2043. Okay, so it should be around here. Okay, 2043. Okay, so it should be around here. Okay, this is the sell zone, huh? Okay, right. Let me change it to a red one. Okay, so that it's going to be clear to see. Okay, this is the sell zone. Okay, right. Where's the huge? Oh, okay. Right. Let me remove this. Okay. Okay. Over here. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. Seems like it's actually moving towards 2038 to get the area. Okay. Right. Okay. Yep. And currently, by looking at this, okay, for the goal wise, I see there's still one, two. Where is it now? Okay, still on the buy side. Okay. For the goal wise, it's still on the buy side. Okay, as of now. Okay, it's still on the buy side. All right. Okay, it's still on the buy side. So yeah, let's see. 35. 1, 2. Okay. Yeah. Minus sell zone is 2039. Okay, 2039 should be slightly about here. Okay. And what do you mean by the minus sell zone? Haro, what do you mean by the minus sell zone? Quick scalping. A quick scalping, am I right? We'll have a quick scalp for the sell when it comes to this area. Okay. Right. Is that what you mean? Okay. Right, is that what you mean? Okay, so yep, and coming, and let's see. Right, you can change the character. Okay. Okay. I find something very interesting here, and I'm trying to figure out. Here. This move, I was for the goal wise, I find that there's one area here. Okay, there's one area here. I think this move is a liquidity grab to move price lower. Okay. You mean current move like this over here? Yeah, I was thinking I was thinking, okay, from area, okay. Let me see. It looks like from here, the selling may comes in. The selling is coming in as I see. Okay. Maybe the next hour. Okay, maybe the next hour. If the selling comes in the next hour, okay, I will see this is a good. This is quite a good. This area here. I think this is quite a good area. I don't know. I'm looking at 2027 down to 2025. Let me check. 2027. I think should be 2027. Around about 2026. There's a liquidity sitting from 2023 to 2018. Ah, okay. I see. And then last year liquidity from 2012 to 1984. 2012 to 1984. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 2023, 2012. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yes, I see a very big space down here. Yeah, there's a very good potential space over here. Okay, so let me shift a little bit. Okay, yeah, about there, 1984, around here. From 2018, I'm looking at around 2018 down into this area here. Provided it can comes into this area first. It has to set up something to come in here. Okay, but looks like okay, generally looks like now there is some, I would say there is some 1983, huh? To be exact, 1983 actually. Okay, around there should be, let me check. Yeah, it should be around there, huh? Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think marginal difference. Yeah, okay, marginal difference. Okay, about that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and over here, if I'm looking at the H1, I see that one this has been completed, and yeah, well, if the selling, if I'm going for the selling of gold, I think we need to be patient. I think we need to be patient, but because I see that over at this point here, there may be a good chance that temporary selling off to here about 60, is it 60? More than that, right? Yeah, about 60. Yeah, about 60 pips, right? Yeah, okay. So there'll be a good chance for the gold. If you are selling now, okay, if you are selling now, you'll be able to grab some profits over to, yeah, Okay, Bolly. I will be saying that max. I think we will be going to test 2026. Okay. Okay. All right, 2026. Okay, should be around 2026. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 2026 is one that I'm looking out. Okay, that may be that may be one of the price there. Okay, for 1, 2, yeah, 2026. Okay, yes, but I will still prefer not because there are a few zones here. Okay, there will be one zone here which is now about 17 pips away, and we have another zone here which is about from here another 30. Then we will complete the 2026. So we have two zones in this area. Okay, we have two zones in this area, whereby, well, what do I mean by two zones in this area is, which is when it first sell off, it should be meeting up with 2031 to about 2031. Okay, yeah. So we have about 10 pips left now. Okay, then if this is able to clear this area, all right, this area here, then likely we will be able. Okay, let me zoom in again. So first, this is the area. All right, this is the area. Okay, so once it clear this area, we can we'll be looking out into the second level. Okay, we'll be looking out to the second level. Right, there is one zone here. Okay, there'll be another zone here. Okay, that's what I see for now. Okay, so tentatively, by looking into the goal wise, if a short-term scalping should be good because they are looking out for support. I will see that they are looking out for some support. Okay, yeah. So we have this level. Okay, then we have this level. Okay, right. Okay, currently M30 has no wick worth to try or buy. Okay, let's see. Okay, for now, yeah. Okay, right. So M30. Yeah. Okay. Right. So probably, yeah. We can be looking out for this. Okay, 2034 TP target. 2034. Okay, 2034 is the TP target over up here. 65. Okay. This area. Okay. All right, this area. Okay. Well, let's for now 2034.65, if I'm not wrong. Okay, we are basing on the 1030 candle, 1030 hours candle. Okay, so it should be creating a wick which this is going up. Okay, to surpass this, to go higher than this 1030 candle. Naturally, this will become a green candle. But in M5, if you're looking at this, the candle should be moving up to this area, and it will tentatively go up at this to create the buy, to create a M30 wicks, and M5 will become a resistance. Then after that, selling may comes in. Okay, selling may comes in from there. Okay, am I right? Okay, first theory, Caro, I'm not sure if I'm right, that you see the price is because 1030 candle over here that has no wick. So if I'm buying up now, so M30 candle should be turning from red to green. Okay, from red to green. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So once it hits over here, and if M5 with this resist to close as a resistance, then after that you will see a M30 wicks there, then become a resistance to go back again. Okay, that is one way. So we are more comfy to do this with H1. Okay. M30 works usually as well. Okay. So this way we can see that is this move now currently with this move over here. Okay, is actually to create with this move is to create a wick. Okay, is to create a wick. Okay, so yep, and right. Okay, so likely. Okay. Okay, so let's if this is going to move, okay, if this is going to move, and let's say if this is going to move, is to we are basing on the 1030 hours candle, 1030 hours candle. Am I right, Carol? Are we putting 1030 hours candle as a benchmark? Okay. Yeah. Okay, and right. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, and now it's moving. Correct. Bradley, GUTP buy. Okay. GU, let's take a look on the buy side. Okay, it's on the buy side. 10 pips. Wow, okay. I think from somewhere here maybe. Okay, congratulations, well done. Okay. Go TP also. Wow. Okay. Yeah, okay, so yep. Yeah, okay. Well done, well done. Good job, good job. Okay, so we are still moving. Okay. Carol said means okay, yes. Okay, well basing on okay. So 1030 hours is our mark. Okay, over here. So we are very near. We are getting nearer now. Okay, so we're getting very near. So you see, usually if you see there's no wick, that it will want to create a wick. So on the way up there, okay, then we want to see how it goes. We want to see that it will actually see based on this, correct? It's basing on this part here. Then it will actually go in and create the wicks. But this is why we are putting the TP target to be here. Is once it touches, it may create a very short wick. Correct? It may create a very short wick. So no matter how long the wick it is, this will be the target first. It's the most conservative way. A most conservative to capture the TP. Okay. Yeah. All right. And for now we are about okay. Right. Okay. Yes, I need go to reach 2036, but seems not easy to reach for now. 2036. Possible. It's not that it's not possible, because by looking at the general picture, I still see there is a good chance, because it's basing on right now they are setting up the support, looking for a level of liquidity as a resistance to sell off. They are now looking out for a higher price to sell off. Okay, so all these prices that we quoted over here, I quoted, okay, over here, basically, okay, they are prices that needed a resistance to sell off. Okay, it needed a resistance to sell off. Okay, so we we still see there's a good chance that because of the support, as we can see over here, okay, we can still see support over here. All right. So and by looking at this is only part of the reading. Okay, part of the reading. The other side over at this point here where we are going to read is on the top part here. All right, the top part here. Okay, so with this top area over here, okay, as we can see the resistance which is sitting, I will say that this area 2038, okay, the liquidity over here, okay, is seated down here for a reason. Okay, these are the reasons. Okay, I will say that these are the reasons here, the move over at this point here. Okay, before the selling actually comes in. So 2036, I will say is still quite promising. It is still quite promising. Okay, I will still say it's still quite promising. Okay, and then again, of course, we also, but tentatively still good. Okay, maybe now they are retracing back to look out for support to push even higher. Okay, to push even higher. So to see the push for a further up to 2036, I will say, yeah, this is also 10-30 hours. 10-30 hours is still it's still quite a crucial one. It's still quite a crucial one. Okay, it should be still quite a crucial one. Okay. Okay. I'm still holding 2026 buy, aim 2036 to TP. Okay, waiting sell. Okay, so you enter in 2026 to buy. Okay, from here, 2026 down here, you bought in down here. So we are running about 70 pips. Okay. Okay, sometimes taking a profit, from what I see, you are trying to take 100 pips. Then again, is that profit taking also based on the market. Okay, but try to read the market first. Okay, so currently is still doing good. Okay, currently is still doing good. Okay, where you can see. Okay, right, you can see that since the support set up this way, and from there you'll be able to, yeah, it may still take a little while. Anyway, today we are quite safe. We don't have any big high impact news from the dollar, where tomorrow is the CPI. Okay, then today should be quite safe to look out for that target, okay, to look out for the target 2036. Okay, yeah, we have about 7 minutes to go. All right, where we are going to see if our Nostradamus style. Okay, looks like the next hour will looking at this currently is a pin bar, right? Okay, so currently looks like even it's going to swing off, you're going to swing off that this small area to set up the support to continue the buy. Yeah, look at this. If you swing down further, okay, it should be looking out for some short area, then it will continue the buy. Okay, yeah, we are getting near to 10:30 hours. Okay, we are getting near to the 10:30 hours, which this is the key. All right. Okay, congratulations. Have you taken a profit? Okay, so let's see. We are so near. Okay, wonderful. Congratulations, guys. Yep. Boom. Wonderful. Congratulations. Yes. Okay. Well done. Well done. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well. Nice. 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 Okay. Okay. Yep. Carol. Well done, Carol. Wow. Beautiful, huh? Okay. So now we have weeks. I know, Nostradamus style. Yeah, okay, so yeah. Alright. Then okay. Then let's see. We have now taken this. Okay. So looks like the weeks has created, am I right? Okay, the weeks has created. So what's next? Without the weeks and now. Okay. So over at this point here, okay guys. Okay guys. Okay, so I explained to you my strategy. Well done. Thank you so much, Caro. Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, so and let's see. Okay. Let's see. It always works with H1 and M30 candle. Okay. Yep. Yes, okay. But one thing, okay, that's this will always according to the Nostradamus style, okay, it works pretty well on the H1 and the M30. Alright. Personal view, okay. My 2 cents counts. Let's see. With this style, I will agree that I actually quite supportive with this style on the gold. Okay, why is because of the liquidity. Okay, then again, if we are looking into like currency, okay, currency. If we are talking about currency, for example, let's talk about pound dollar. Okay, you see pound dollar, or okay, let's talk about pound dollar. Okay, when we talk about pound dollar may not, like currency may not work that well in such a short period of time. Okay, pound dollar may not work in that. Okay, so like you know, like what this is this currency wise, it may not work so well because it's not as volatile, okay, as gold. Okay, so I would still suggest that over at this way is still pretty good when it comes with gold. Okay, so guys, thank you so much, Carol, to point this out so that I think many of us can see. Correct? Okay, we can see that. Okay, yeah, and yeah, congratulations, nice TP 90 pips, well done. Okay, gold TP 90 pips, very good. Yes, with gold, no experience with currency pairs. Okay, currency pairs, okay, in terms of currency pairs, usually previously we have our viewers, okay, right, he is using the same methodology, okay, so this methodology, it works for him in currency pairs, but it's not as like gold. Okay, it's not like as just now we have experienced this in such a short span of time, right? And for currency wise, usually when it happens, okay, it will only happens, it will go in a swing. Okay, it will go in a swing. For example, pound dollar, we have one example, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we have one example, like say M30 as well. Okay, so let's take a look this one. Okay, let's take a look at this here. Okay, usually it will go a swing. If this happens, this will go in a swing. Okay, it will go back down to look out for the support before it comes back. Usually. Okay, but as for the currency wise, it's not as easy and as such a short span of time to get. Okay, yeah. Like go is like go big or go home if they manage lot size properly and not entering at right price. Yep. Okay, you understand now, huh, Alan? Okay, that's good, huh? Okay, so well, for Caro, okay, in terms of the goal wise, actually, yes, each day we may have have 2 to 3 opportunity like this. Okay, so but one thing, you may identify this, but also need to identify the next thing, the entry. You can identify this, but you also need to identify the entry. Okay, right? Okay, so yeah, go home too many times. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, that's one thing. I don't mean anything. Disclaimer first. Okay. You see, when we are here trading together with the discussion in Discord channel, okay, we learn a lot of things from all different places. I mean, countries and all different experts, correct? Then we realize that, you know, in certain strategy that we use in currency, it may not work in the Go. For example, the very basic support, resistance, okay, and resistance becomes support, okay, and of course the Williams also don't work as well. Okay, so like some, maybe I don't know, okay, maybe I'm not very well versed with that. Okay, so probably I go home anytime as well by using all these support resistance in Go. But Go support and resistance to use in Go, there are only a certain parts that you can apply. It's only applicable, okay. Certain parts of the reading in basing on support and resistance is applicable in Go, okay, but not all the theory on the support and resistance, which is not very suitable, especially like Williams. If you're using Williams indicators, okay, then I will also say that it's not very good for Go as well. For Go wise, okay, I will say that one thing to pay attention is the liquidity. The liquidity, okay, all right, and the balancing is very important. Okay, so why these two comes in so important is because with the volatility, it works very well in these two. If you're using these two method, okay, if you're using these two reading, it will work pretty well with the Go. But of course, it works well. But the thing, just like Alan, you just mentioned, a lot of people always see that currency goes slower, profits smaller than the Go. But not forgetting your capital, okay, to be risked, okay, is also higher in terms of trading gold than currencies. Okay, so if you are patient enough to build your pot, of course, by all means, to go for the gold, then make sure you are staying with the right company, which you don't rush into a trade. Okay, you know what you are doing. You like Caro over here, okay, is guiding us in the goal, which is doing so well for the past 1 year. Okay, for the past 1 year, okay, everybody, I think you learn a lot of things from Caro as well. Am I right? Okay, so myself, I also thank Caro a lot for sharing, as I see that a lot of theory from Caro. Okay, you won't find this theory, you won't find this indicator, you won't find this formula elsewhere except here, because this thing is called Nostradamus style. Am I right? Okay, that's Nostradamus style. Alright, okay. Yeah, so I guess Nostradamus style is pretty good. Okay, but of course, we know what is the theory behind the Nostradamus style. Okay, so it's logical. It's logical, and the fundamental is there. Okay, we can see the fundamental is there. All right. So yep, when you are trading gold, the last thing to take note is that go big or go home. All right. Okay. Go big or go home. Okay. So try not to risk too much. Okay. Too big. Always manage your lot size when you are trading gold. Okay, guys. All right. Okay. So looks like okay. Yeah. Trade monk. All right. Okay, then we can now let's take a look. Okay. Yeah. What's that? My God. Okay. Right. Somebody is using my Tesla. Okay. Yeah. Anyway. All right. So okay. So just now we are talking about the currencies. Okay. So if you're looking at this area here, you can see this is one classic example here. All right. So in H1, okay, we can see some classic example. Okay. So M30 H1, as you can see, we have one classic examples for like here. Okay, there's one here. Okay, can you see over here? So that is also one way that in the currency, right? So we can see the buying. We can from here we can tell. Okay, is the buying is going to be the buying is going to take this area here. Because in H1, if you can see this area here, so naturally, okay, are we going to shrink down into H4? Okay, that H4. Okay, so let me go to H1. Let me do it one more. Okay, so that is visible. Okay, so over here, can you see here? Okay, this is the one, right? Okay, so this area here. Okay, so with the same theory, but in currency, okay, it may not work that well. What I mean is that when I say they don't work that well, because of the volatility, but it more or less it will still work. Okay, so if you look at this area here, okay, first we are looking into this area here, correct? This one, this is the candle. Okay, so this is the candle. Okay, yeah. Okay, so if we are looking into this area here, okay, this is one area that it will have to come. Okay, it will have to come. However, for currency, have to incorporate with some other theories to make it work. Okay, so what I mean is that, okay, with this area here, we can see, okay, this whole area here, for example, okay, this will be the targeted area. Okay, this will be the targeted area. Okay, we can read this as a targeted area. This is the key candle we'll be looking at. This is the key candle that created the area for us. Guys, do you understand what I mean? Okay, so same theory. It's the same theory. Okay, so from here, as you can see, there isn't something like this. Okay, but for currency, once it happens, it will go for one big round before it comes back. It will go one swing. For this theory, I think people who are doing the swing theory, swing trading, they should know. Okay, they always apply this thing for swing trader. Okay, swing trader, I think they already know about this. Okay, so for me, I use this key candle to create the area. Okay, so in a way to make it in our so-called PTP. Okay, over here, point to point. Okay, so this is the area that if this is going for a buy, Okay, this is the area, a targeted area that the price is going in. Okay, the price is going into this area. But of course, by looking at this is the targeted price, doesn't mean that you ignore the rest of the resistance. Okay, for currencies, we talk about resistance, support. Yes, it works pretty well. Okay, it works pretty well. So not forgetting about all the resistance. Okay, that's important. All right, that's very important as well. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So is it good for you? I hope this theory is good for you. Okay. Right. So right now, if we are talking about now, as we can see for pound dollar, let's come back to read the pound dollar. Okay. Yeah. And we are still on the buy side for the pound dollar to look out for some resistance. Okay, so we still have a little bit more to go. Okay, yeah, so let's see if this pound dollar is on the buy side now. Okay, so likely, like we say, this may be the area. Once you plot it out from the H1 M30, you can see the M5, this area is in. Okay, that's the area. Okay, that's the area. Yeah. Okay, and then okay. Okay, let's see if it's moving. Yep. Okay, then if we are now still looking for resistance over here. Okay, from this swing down here, we can see now we have come to a point. We still have plenty to go down here. We still have plenty to go. All right, but before we go into this area, all right, before we go into this area, looks like it's looking for something to push further down. The highs has been taken out, the low has been taken out. So what's next? Correct? High and low has been taken out for now. So what's next? Anyone you have anything to share with me? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Looking out if the high and low has been taken out for today. Looks like okay. Looks like yesterday low, which is around this area, okay, will be a very good target, huh? Okay, maybe a very good one, huh? Okay, maybe a very good target to go, but looking into this area of resistance first. Okay, we have a resistance here. Okay, this area. Okay, 1, 2. So we still have about 11 pips to go to this area. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay. About 14. So into this area. Once it's into this area, once it clear this area and take out this area, all right, taken out this. Okay, let's see. I'm going to bring this. Well, this may be the one. Okay. Yep. The target has shown there. So once it's taken out this area, then we are moving into taking out at this as a resistance. Okay, so as we can see over at this point here, right? And somehow or rather, okay, it is still currently. I will still be looking out for some selling. Okay, I still see selling quite promising, but we need a resistance. We need a resistance to do so. So for now, the buying is there, and I'm waiting for the buying to continue to go. Okay, so to meet up with the resistance before I can actually go for the selling. So it's good that it's now going for a buy. For buyers right now, it's your time. So once it reaches the point, okay, then highly likely it will be my time. Okay, okay. So probably in the New York session, then we will go on the selling. The selling will then comes in. Okay, yeah. So yep, that's just hang on for a little while. Okay, we will see how it goes. Right. Yep. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Yep. And over at this point here, we can see this area looks like they are coming into this area. Do not sell now. Do not sell now, because if you are selling now, okay, if you are selling now, this is the area that they are coming in here to set out support to push even higher. Okay, so it's not a good sell. It's not a good selling. It's not a good selling yet for now. So we can wait. Okay, just wait for a little while. Okay, yeah, just wait for a little while. Okay, since we are waiting, okay, and everybody's so quiet now and be not sure where to go now. Let's go Keybell. Okay. Okay, let's go Keybell. Okay. Yep. Okay, so yep. See you in a short while. Okay. Alright guys, then I shall see you in a while. Okay. Let's go to the Keybell. Let's go to the Keybell. Okay guys, I'm back. Thank you so much. Right. Yep. Uh-huh. Let's see, let's see. Game over. What is game over? Nothing to see, huh? Right. Okay, let's see what do we have. Okay, and let's take a look. This is the goal. Okay, looking out into, yeah, 2036 achieved for Alan. Twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, Alan got a 90 pips from there. Okay lah, that's, I mean, there's nothing, there's not much difference between the 10 pips, right? Since you already have the 90. Okay, so just keep that 90. Okay, forget about the 10. In case you hop on the 10 and then you want to make that 10, and then you know what, the next thing is that you're going to chase after it, which is no good, huh? Okay, so pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we are still looking out for buying. Okay, pound dollar is still looking out for buying. Yesterday, all the goods selling off. Wow, happy, right? Okay, happily selling off. And today, by looking into this, we are still in the box here. Okay, so it's having a reclamation. So just now we are talking about the pound dollar, which is already setting up for the support. So I'm waiting for the next H4 to see if there is any selling opportunity when it set up the resistance. Okay, so probably likely it's going to be in the New York session. Okay, so right now the buying is still ongoing, I will say, for the pound dollar, which I still see there's a good chance that it should be still coming into this area here. We have about 18 pips. Okay, we should still have about 18 pips, 1-8. Okay. Then let's wait and see. All right. Yes, no stress. Later find chance to get another 10 pips. Yeah. Okay. All right. So so let's see. Okay, let's see if we are now going into the into anything. For me, right now, we are looking into pound dollar. Pound dollar is still on the buy side. So if pound dollar is still on the buy side, okay, buyers can still take opportunity. Right on the opportunity, we still have about 18 pips to go, maybe. Yeah, 18 to 20. Okay, around there. This is still my targeted price. When it completed this area, maybe they will try to take yesterday high. Okay, they will try to take yesterday's high. All right, yesterday Asian high, but then but it's still possible lah. Okay, anyway, it looks quite quite possible to still continue the buy side. Okay, if you're looking at H1, yeah, I think it's pretty clear that it's still going on the buy side. It hits on the support. Okay, then still pretty good with the buy side. Okay. Yeah, so let's see, let's wait and see. Okay. Okay, then not much to check on this, right? I am let's see if there's nothing much to sell right now for me. Okay, how about the gold? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, by the way, I want to take a look at the Bitcoin. Okay, well, Bitcoin, we have achieved 49, I think 40 or 49. Okay, high at 47.9. Okay, 47.9. So 47.9. Well, I'm looking into 65, right? We're talking about it, huh? We're still looking into 55, not 65, 55. Okay. So still good chance to go. Okay, yeah. All right. So yep. As for the goal wise, okay. As for the goal wise, we have taken out this area here. We can see now. Okay. Looks like we have went into 2036 of the area. Then it seems like we are also coming in slowly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, ETF's approval today for BTC and ETH, it will be crazy. Don't trade BTC. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no. Okay. Don't trade BTC, yeah. Okay. Please don't speculate the BTC, okay? Okay. So are there any other currencies that we are looking out for? The pound dollar still on the move. Okay. Looks good. Still looking good. Okay. I'm going to wait for this area to sell. Okay, I'm going to wait for this area to sell, huh? Still nice. Plenty of chance there, I would say. Okay, still plenty of chance there. Right. I think it's very nice. I find it so nice. Wow. Okay. Reason behind that I'm looking out for selling into from this area. Okay, looks like you know, what are we? You know, this thing, we are creating a lot of liquidities here. Correct. It's moving up, and we are ready to take down this area later on if the selling comes back. Okay, is wow. Okay, looks very juicy. Okay, it looks so juicy to me. Okay, hang on, let me see once again. Okay, let me have an overview. Okay, get this area. Wow, so juicy. Okay, seriously, it just looks so juicy to me. Okay, one swing now. Okay, yeah. Then once it, okay, my plan did go this way, huh? Okay, so once it achieve, okay, once it actually achieve into this area to sell, highly likely the selling will comes back to 127, 173. Okay, it should be around there, 127, 173. Then from this area, it may be a support. It can be a strong support over here to move further up. Okay, so later on, if the selling comes in, I'll be looking into selling from about 127,384 to 127,468. Okay, this area to sell off down back to this area should have about 29 pips. They will be pulling back for 29 pips to 127, 173. From there, then likely to move even further up to take yesterday highs. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, yeah. So this is my plan. Okay, this is my plan. Right. So at the moment, I think there's no action to be taken at the moment now. Okay. Yeah, if I'm a seller, let's say if I'm a seller, if you're a buyer, okay, and at this point here, now we are into the support area. Okay, I mean, I talk about support areas in the buying area. Okay, we are in the buying area. So in this buying area over here, any support that set up you make, it will still continue to go further up. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's wait for a little while and see. Okay. We can see. Okay, let's hang on for a little while to see if that works. Okay. Sabrina is very quiet today, huh? Because when she finally speaks, I find that you are very quiet. Okay, so Sabrina was talking about, okay, so right now rest and relax to 127,468, then I will take action from there. Pending order shouldn't be advised, shouldn't be plotted because prices may even shoot higher. Correct, that's right. Okay. I don't, when I trade, okay, I don't use pending order. Okay, I don't really use pending order. I don't use pending. Put it this way, I should say I don't use pending order to enter a trade. Okay, yeah. When I don't use pending order to enter a trade, right? Yeah. Okay. Pound dollar exhaustion? No, not really. Okay. Yes. Sabrina is eating probably sushi, duck, for body soup. Okay. Yeah. Are you eating now? Okay, so let's see. Well, I'm eating snacks. I'm eating snacks. Okay. Well done, Caro. Caro know that you're eating. Well, at times, yes. Okay, at times, if you, I mean, as a trader, you can trade on both. Okay, you can trade on both sides. Alright, but if I decided to trade on one directions, then there will be time that you will wait. Okay. Yeah, told you, licking fingers. Can't touch the keyboard. Yeah. Wow, that makes sense. Yeah, you see, a good forex trader who can analyze very well, he can analyze any other things in life. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, let's wait and see. Yeah. Okay, let's see. And for now, pound dollar is still moving towards the north. How about the gold? I read Sabrina like a book. Sabrina, Carol is saying, I read Sabrina like a book. Yeah. I think she's eating now. She cannot reply. She cannot reply promptly. Okay, so I will say that for now, for me, if I'm looking at gold to take action, I won't take any action for now. Okay. As for the gold, I will not take any action. Although it seems like it's going for the buy, I'm going to put in for the buy. But I would suggest no. Okay, I would suggest no. Yeah. Yeah, balls behind ears. Okay. Okay, balls behind ears, right. Okay, you heard that, Sabrina? Okay, let's wait for Sabrina to reply. Okay, anyway, okay. If you are looking at a goal, okay, if you're asking me, am I going to start selling now, or am I going to continue the buying because the buying looks quite still bullish over here? But I will say no. Okay, I will still say no. Now, not yet for the selling yet, but buying wise also. Let's wait for a better support to set up. Okay, not now. GJ to sell. Let's take a look. GJ. Okay. For GJ wise, GJ to sell. Probably we're looking into last year November 21st 800 hours. I'm not sure if that is the key. Okay, I'm not sure if that's the key. Okay. But looks like we are taking into but I see GJ in general term. GJ to sell will be a little bit higher up. Take this. Well, GJ for now. If you're looking into short term wise, okay, short term wise, I think some pullback. We should be looking out into this area here. This area. We have about 28 pips there. But they can wait for the selling. Okay, but it's only a pullback, I see. What do you think? Okay, share your views. No worries, just share your view. Anyone. Okay, yeah. Since over at this point here, okay. Yep. Okay. GJ. Yep. Okay, GJ wise over here, I will see that probably we need to break this area first. Probably we need to break this area. If not, I think GJ should be still looking out for some resistance, which I see it should be around this part here. Okay, this area here. What is that? GUTP by thumbs two. Second time. All right. Congratulations. Okay, well done, well done. This is really a cowboy, huh? The cowboy is coming in. Looks like he's on fire today. Alright, okay, I think GJ, I'll be looking out. Let's shrink off down. Shrink down a little bit more to take GJ. GJ is still on the buy side for, okay, if I'm going to sell, then I'll be looking out a little bit higher, not a little bit higher, a lot higher more, a lot higher, a lot more. Then short-term selling with this, maybe it will come to 184, 152, then continue another round of buying to 185, 185. Yeah, I mean, that's what I see. Okay. Yeah. So at the moment, just hang on for a little while and check this idea. With this selling off, it's going to build the selling, I guess, but 184. H4 is closing soon. Yes, H4 is closing soon. You know what? I just worry about okay, why am I talking about why am I taking 185 the price here, 185,068 here. Okay, then it may, for now, the selling may comes into this area to set up the buy again, a higher a support to continue the buy. I'm generally looking out for this area here. Okay, as we can see, this area is waiting for it to clear. Okay, so looks like the reclamation, you know, I'm looking into the reclamation. Okay, so still it looks like the GJ is still going on the reclamation. Yeah. UJ, let's take a look. UJ. Okay. Right. Mm. Right. Mm. Okay. Pound yen. Well, there are still somewhere waiting for it. Hang on first, I think. Yeah. It's it's trying to build. It's trying to have a pullback over. Looks like the pullback should come in quite soon. Yeah. Another 20 minutes to go. Okay. Hang on first. Hang on first. Right. Okay. And let's take a look. Well, GJ. Well, looks like GJ is now coming. It's going to build one selling off. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's see. Coming. Looks like if this is going to build one selling off. Okay. So now it seems like the selling comes in. Okay. Then I mean, of course, for now, I will say that the selling over at this point here is actually more or less is pullback. Okay, as we can see the trend is still now going on the bull side for the reclamation. Then the pullback, if you're good at pullback, okay, I think you can also you can do you are if you're good with the pullbacks. Okay, if you're good at the pullbacks. So for me right now is building up the pullback on the selling side. So I'll be waiting for another round of another resistance to comes in. Then this area 184, 152 is one area that looking out for the support. Okay, for me personal view. Okay, yeah. Yes, I find it's easy to trade a stock which involve very little reading. Yeah, just keep it as simple as possible. Okay. Hi, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you. Okay. Yep. How's your day? How's your day? Merry Christmas. Okay. And yep. For now, generally we are still on the buy side, huh? Sabrina is back. Yeah. I finished my snacks and a cup of coffee, playing a little bit of my guitar, and now back here waiting for pound dollar to sell. Okay. Caro was talking about you. Yeah, tired. Oh, why? Why is it so tired? Okay, so I guess today is a little bit boring, huh? Okay. In terms of in terms for the seller, the market for the seller, I think it's a bit boring. Right. Okay. Okay, we have another 15 minutes to go where the H4 is going to open. Okay, then let's take a look how is the H4 is to close. Okay, since I'll be tired as well if I eat that much crab. Are you feeling tired, Sabrina? Okay, so looks like pound dollar is going to have some pullbacks. Okay. ready to sell GJ. I don't really, for GJ, if you're good at pulling back to sell, okay, I think probably if you're good with it. For me, at the moment, it's very close. We have 15 minutes to go. Okay, but if you're good with it, I think okay, but look out for this area. This is an area to take note. Okay, right, this area. Okay, so what am I going to do is that, okay, I'm going to look out for this area. I'll be trading this area. Okay, if I'm going to sell, I'm going to wait for this area. Right, yes. Otabarin, thank you very much, Otabarin. Yes. Yeah, what is that? Almost 6 now. Almost 6 now. Oh, okay. GMT plus 8, correct? Market might be building up liquidity and waiting for tomorrow's CPI. Yes, you are right, Alan. Okay, okay. So the higher it goes, the better it is. Okay, how about pound dollar? Right, pound dollar, it looks good. Looks like same thing is pulling back down. We are waiting for it to hit this area where 127, 173. If this is going to break, no, sorry, if this is going to build a support, it may go even higher. Okay, it may go even higher. So I won't be selling pound dollar as of now. As of now, I won't be selling pound dollar. As for pound yen, okay, then as for pound yen wise, I'm looking to sell this area. I'm not going to sell this area. Okay, so same thing. Once it breaks below into this area, we have about 20 pips. Then once it retests to firm up the resistance, then I will go for the selling. Okay, all right. That's for me in terms of pound yen. Okay, that's for pound yen. Okay, right. And but bear in mind, this may be a pullback. Okay, yeah, the highs has been taken out and waiting for the low to be taken out in the New York session again. Right, likely, highly likely. Okay, and of course, we have another 2 hours to go before the lunch time. Okay, are you going to have lunch soon, Caro? Are you going to have lunch? Well done, GJTP 10 pips. Okay. That's good, that's good. Okay, so you actually sold off from here to here. Okay, right. Wow, that's pretty good, pretty fast. Good scout, good scout. Oh, I haven't had my breakfast. Really? Okay. So you're gonna have brunch. Well, okay, so let's see, and I guess okay. Okay, so why? Can over here talking about GJ. So just now Caro was saying that ready to sell GJ. Okay, you mind to share with us over here? I was looking at this. Okay, this area, not too far away. Okay, so this area, so 21st November, I think is the key. Okay, 21st November candle, I think is the key. All right, Sabrina only thinks about food. Yeah, she loves to eat, right, Sabrina? She loves to eat. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not sure because for me, I see this area here. 21st November is the key candle to have some pullback. for the GJ, to sell off. All right, so likely, okay, yeah, if GJ is going to sell off, all right, this area, okay, this area will be good. Okay, once it comes into this area, retest, then yeah, I will take this area. Okay, I will take this area. Right, for pound dollar, yes, now Sabrina is coming in, looking into pound dollar. She was saying, if if what if what's this spelling? Is blah 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 coming into? I think her hands are still dirty, still oily. Okay, if this is going to retest back at the top of the wave and then be setting up the resistance to form somewhere like a double top, then I will consider the selling for the pound dollar as a pullback right down to your target of 127.173. Okay. So you mean Sabrina, you mean this is the first left side of the resistance. So you're waiting for it to build out to stop. The price will go back again to stop at around this area, like a double top, but it's a resistance. Then you will take the selling. Am I right? Okay. Yeah, I think that's what Sabrina means. Okay. Okay, I think that's what she meant, huh? Okay. Yep. And well, okay, since you have that plan, then we can take a look, okay, later on, okay, to see how it goes. Pound yen, okay, pound yen looks like it's coming into this area. Okay, so we have just nice the next M5 to open, which is 55 minutes. Then probably after retest this area and the H1 opens to set up the selling, then probably that will be the good one to sell. Okay. Yeah, so I'm looking into this area. If we are selling, what do you think, Carol? Will it actually comes down to 184, 142? Okay, let's see. Okay. Yep. Okay, and for pound dollar, okay, it's okay. So let's take a look at the gold. The gold now still it will. Okay, right. So Carol was saying that for pound yen, right, it will. Okay, so this is one. Okay, can take a look. For the gold wise, okay, looks like we are. Hey, looks like it's setting up a buying opportunity. Carol, looks like it's coming in for a buying opportunity for the gold. Ah, hey, hey. Let's see. Wow, looks like it's still good. Okay. New H4 opening to create top wick. Okay. Let's see. Aha. Go up then GJ down. Go up then GJ down. Okay. These two don't really have some big this okay. Okay, they don't really have quite a big creation there, huh? Okay, so right. But if you're selling the pound yen, okay, doesn't mean you can go for the buy on the go, okay. Okay, and okay, let's take a look. All right, then dollar yen. Let's take a look. Dollar yen. see. Let me see. Okay. Dollar yen. Wow, this dollar yen also looks pretty. Dollar yen also looks pretty good, huh? Oh, exactly at the exact point here. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, okay. Now dollar yen. Okay. Ooh. Well, looks like dollar yen. We have something to pay attention to dollar yen as well for selling in during the New York session. Okay, looks nice. Looks nice. Okay, but we will be looking into 145,446. Okay, looks good also. So the pound yen. Okay, pound yen. We are. Oh, what is this? All right, it's sitting on this nicely. Okay, hang on, hang on. All right. Okay, a little head and shoulder is going to appear soon to continue the selling. Okay. Okay, that's what I see. MK, are you there, MK? Okay, I'm not sure if MK is still there. Wasim, are you there, Wasim? GJ, okay. Yes, Sabrina, pound dollar, okay. I'm so happy to see the pound dollar is moving towards my plan, even I have not traded. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, all right. Okay, we have 3 minutes to go, right? Yeah, MK, you're there, huh? All right, good. All right, so let's see the plan here. Okay, generally for the pound yen, okay, we are still looking out for a buy. We are still looking out for a buy where I see 185, the price of 185. Okay, however, there may be some pullback before it continue the buying. Okay, it may have some pullback before the buying, which I see if the pullback to come, if the head and shoulder over here to form, it can come into this area. I will want to wait for this area to form, the price to come into this area, then to look out for a new resistance to sell off in this area to 184,142. 184,142. Right. Of course, if it's going to break below, right, wait for the same thing, another retesting to go so that you will see the trending is building up. Then we can go lower to, yeah, we can go even lower. Okay, tentatively to go even lower to take sorry. Okay, so to take this 183.76 around here. Okay, around here. 78. Okay, around here. So we have, if this is coming in, okay, if this is going to comes in into this area, okay, MK, then we can look out for some selling to 184,142. If this able to break into the next area here, this will be another area. Okay, this will be another area. Okay, so that is for the GJ, pound yen. Okay, so pound yen. Okay, let me put this. Okay, put this into our Discord channel so we can have a reference. Okay, right. This zone, we're talking about this zone. Okay, zone 1. All right. Okay, blah blah blah, 184,345 to 184,142. Okay, this is zone 1. Right. Then I think this is not really good to do it this way. All right. So zone 1. We have one zone here. We have another zone 2, which I see that it should be from 184, 142. Wait. 184.42 down to 183.783. Okay. Right, that's for the GJ, but this is a pullback. Okay, this will be a pullback. All right. If that happens. Okay. Right, so for GU, okay, GU for pound dollar. Pound dollar, we are going for a buy. So that's one. Okay, so that's one for the pound dollar. Okay, so not forget about the pound dollar. All right. Okay. So GU wise now, Sabrina is coming in. Okay, your plan for pound dollar is going to be a pullback. So take note. Okay, H4 has opened as well. Okay, H4 has opened. Okay, so is this going to be the point where it started to set up the selling? Okay, set up the resistance. So we are at the midst of setting up. Okay, so right now in the H1 we just opened. Okay, we just opened. So probably there's some points that we need to take note as well. Okay, we are not going to take any action yet. Okay, because any selling right now is still a pullback down to 127, 173. Then probably this will be continue the buying back. So if I'm going to sell now, okay, we have about 7 pips or so. So I would say that probably it may be, you know what? Just a short-term scalping within the pullbacks. So I don't encourage that. Okay, I don't really encourage that much. Okay, as for pound yen, okay, same thing. Yep. If this head and shoulder is going to build up, then it's going to come into this area, then we will look out for the selling. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the gold. The gold H4 still have 1 more hour to go to see how it goes. Okay, then we will see whether it is still. Now for the gold wise, since we already see that the setup of this support has been going on nicely for the past 4 hours, 3 hours, then we are still going to take 2038. Okay, we're still going to take 2038. Probably may even go to 2040. It may even go to 2040. Okay, yeah. Okay, that may even go to 2040. Yeah. GJ give me my balance of 10 pips. Okay. You are buying or you are selling? It looks like you went for the buying. No. I think he went in selling with Caro, Alan. Okay, so I guess now, yeah. Okay, for this area here, that is a very quick scalp. Must be sharp enough. Okay, that must be sharp enough. Okay, congratulations anyway. Okay, that's good. You got your 10 pips for the goal from the GJ to cover the goal. Gold TP 15 pips. Wow, well done. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, well done. Wow. Yeah, just now it's setting up the buy, the opportunity to set up. Wow, it's crazy. 2040. Oh my god, that was like seconds away. Oh my god. Okay, very good. Congratulations, well done, everybody. Wow. So you see, the sellers are keeping quiet, but the buyers, both sides are doing well now. Okay, very good, very good. Right. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so yeah. So let's take a look. Once it's sell off, okay. H4 is creating a top wick. Sell is coming up soon. Yes. Okay. So that's what I'm about to say. When the goal for H4 this area here, then after that I'll be looking out if the selling comes in. Okay, if the selling comes in from the area that we had discussed earlier on, 2038, boom, done. Okay. So next to go, 2030, 2027, okay, 2026. Right. Okay. What the? Oops, sorry. Okay. Right. Okay, for the goal. Okay, let's go. Let's do it again. Okay, for the goal. Yep. Okay, 2030. Correct? No. Sorry. 2035. Okay. Right, 2030. 2027. Okay. Yep. Okay, I just priced it out in the Discord. Okay, so just later when I go offline, you still have a channel to refer. Okay, right. Yep. I think these are the prices. These are the prices that we have discussed earlier on. Okay, we have discussed earlier on in over here. Okay. So for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar. Aha, your plan failed, Sabrina. You can continue eating. Alright, GJ building out the head and shoulder. Let's take a look. Ah, nice. Now GJ, nice. Okay. Okay, so GJ first zone 184.345 to 184.142. Okay, next zone will be 184.142 to 183.783. Okay, so that will be the plan for the pound yen today. All right, for the pound dollar, nope, still long way to go. So earlier on, we are talking about this area. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, let me put it in. Okay, as well, pound dollar. Okay. Let's put it this way. Let me put a selling. Okay, I'm looking at selling from selling zone about 120. Is it 120? 127.46. No, sorry. 120. 127. 384 to about this area here. Okay, so about 127.430. Okay, 127.430. Okay. Then okay. Be looking out into one 173. Okay. Yep. Okay, so for pound dollar, currently I wish that pound dollar will continue the buying further up. Okay, so to hit into this area. Then when the selling comes in again, I will be looking out into 127, 173. Okay, alright. Yeah. So pound yen, yes, that's one. Okay, pound dollar, waiting. Okay. And for the gold, okay, more or less we can see where is it going already, huh? Okay, for the gold. Okay. Right. Okay, okay. For the that should be all for today. Okay. Alright. That's all for today, guys. Okay. So yep. And the H4 has opened, so pay attention to the H4 in this session. Like I said yesterday, if you have missed out, I will still be waiting for the next H4 opening. Okay, it will be very good to trade. Okay, I think the last 3 hours of the London market, it should be a very clear market. There will be a lot of clear indication to trade. All right. So guys, today is Wednesday, and I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, same time. All right. Then wish you good luck in the New York session. Okay, thank you so much, Carol, for the sharing today. I guess everybody should have a lot of things to bring back home, huh? Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you, Master Carol. Thank you very much. Okay, so yep. All right. Then shall see all of you again tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. I shall see you, and good luck in your New York session, and I shall see you tomorrow. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.